Nakausap niyo na po ba ang presidente?
Nagkausap po kami ng maikli lamang at bigay po siya ng instruction.
Mhm.
Pagka nasa Mindanao tayo actually po noon at tayo ay nagmadali na pumunta ng Metro Manila.
Oho. Ano pong instruction sa inyo, sir, ni presidente?
Well, the instruction was for me to immediately proceed to Manila at may pagbabago at inaasahan niyang ito po ay ipapatupad at i-relate po ng ating butihing SILG Secretary Remulla. Of course, ang mission po is make sure that the maintenance of peace and order in the Philippines ay mangyari in coordination or dapat ito ay nasa in coordination and or in cooperation with the community.